Selamat sore teman-teman semuanya. From Buku, want to present about tip next. Laura boleh di next dulu, atasnya lagi. Member of the group ada Teresia, ada saya sendiri, Deborah dan Laura. We want presentation about inclusion of material. Yang pertama, characteristic of student. Yang kedua, being creative teacher. Yang ketiga, the role of teacher in foreign language learning.
Characteristic of student. The term characteristic is derived from character, which refers to psychological traits, moral or manner that distinguish one person from another, including their nature and temperament. According to the Indonesian Dictionary, characteristic refers to something that has specific qualities in line with a particular personality. A student characteristic reflect their behavior patterns and abilities, which result from both their inherent traits and social environment, ultimately determining the patterns of their activities. Several interpretation of characteristic include: 1. Hamzah B. Uno. Student characteristics include aspects or qualities of individual students such as interest, attitude, motivation to learn, learning style, teaching ability, and individual competition. 2. Tadhkiraatun musfiroh. Character refers to a series of attitude, behavior, motivation, and skill. 3. Bruno. Characteristics are tendencies to reach in either a positive or negative manner toward specific individual. 4. Weber. Characteristics are the ability to carry out complex, well-organized behavior patterns smoothly and according to the situation to achieve specific outcomes. Selanjutnya akan dibacakan oleh Teresia.
Saya lanjut, how to understand student characteristic, cara memahami karakteristik siswa. Some key characteristic of student that teacher need to understand into order to success carry out educational practice include: 1. Student as object. Each student is an individual with their own self-concept. Setiap siswa adalah individu dengan konsep diri mereka sendiri. Number 2. Student live in their own world. Every student lives according to their developmental stage, gender, and other factor. Setiap siswa hidup sesuai dengan tahap perkembangan, jenis kelamin, dan faktor lainnya. Number 3. Student are dependent on adult. Students have strengths and weaknesses that require adult guidance. Siswa memiliki kekuatan dan kelemahan yang memerlukan bimbingan orang dewasa.
Kok pakai sabun kok dicuci sih? Pakai apa sedikit begitu?
Number 4. Students are developing beings. Students are constantly growing and evolving. Siswa terus tumbuh berkembang. 5. Student come from specific environments. Each student originates from a family and social cultural environment that influence their characteristic. Setiap siswa berasal dari keluarga dan lingkungan sosial budaya yang mempengaruhi karakter mereka. 6. Students have potential and dynamic. With the help of education, students can develop into mature individuals as they process the potential and dynamic for growth. Dengan bantuan pendidikan, siswa dapat berkembang menjadi individu yang matang karena mereka memiliki potensi dinamika untuk tumbuh. Lanjut Kak, selanjutnya. Benefit of understand student characteristic. Manfaat memahami karakteristik siswa. 1. Understanding what career paths may be best suited for them in the future based on their personality and character. 2. Self-awareness helps students compromise with themselves and others in various situations. 3. Knowing their personality allows students to accept both their strengths and weaknesses while also being tolerant of others' strengths and weaknesses. 4. Recognizing the students' traits and helping to improve them. 5. Detecting the students' weakness and working to correct them. 6. Identifying their potential and optimism it for future success. 7. Helping them realize they have lack, which prevents arrogance and courageous humility. Dilanjut oleh rekan lain.
Oke, dilanjut sama saya. Being creative teacher, menjadi guru kreatif. Creative teacher are interpreted as teachers who are never satisfied with what they convey to students. She tried to find way to find his student unique potential. With the creative of the teacher can prove teaching love by student. Creative teacher will be able to find the intelligence of each student. She also become productive because of what she found to be studying linear material. Creative teacher will be loved by students because of the diverse way of teaching, so that it does not make students get bored quickly, and more challenging students to take part in the lesson given through something diverse. Guru yang kreatif diartikan sebagai guru yang tidak pernah puas dengan apa yang disampaikan kepada peserta didik. Dia berusaha menentukan cara-cara untuk menentukan potensial unik siswanya. Dengan kreativitas, guru bisa memberikan pengajaran yang disenangi peserta didik. Guru kreatif akan mampu menemukan kecerdasan setiap peserta didiknya. Dia juga menjadi produktif karena apa yang ditemukan menjadi bahan pembelajaran yang menarik. Guru kreatif akan disenangi para siswa karena cara mengajar yang beragam sehingga tidak membuat para siswa cepat bosan dan lebih menantang para siswa untuk mengikuti pelajaran yang diberikan melalui sesuatu yang beragam. Next, Maura. Some effort that can make creative teacher when in the class among other as follow. Beberapa upaya yang bisa menjadikan guru kreatif saat di kelas antara lainnya. Yang the first, concentrating yourself in the planning of teaching. Creative teacher always make the learning planning with their professor and method linear planning will make the process run smooth. Konsentrasi diri pada perencanaan mengajar. Guru kreatif selalu membuat perencanaan belajar dengan perencanaan belajar yang beragam dan matang akan membuat proses berjalan dengan lancar. 2. Open for change. Teacher must adjust to any change that occurs in the class. terbuka untuk perubahan. Guru harus menyesuaikan diri untuk setiap perubahan yang terjadi di kelas. 3. Ready to be invited to cooperate. Teacher must be able to adjust and get closer to students. If the teacher can be close and favored by students, they will want to work together in any learning and any condition in the class. Teacher must also be able to make student believe it. Siap diajak kerjasama, guru harus bisa menyesuaikan dan mendekatkan diri kepada peserta didik. Jika guru bisa dekat dan disukai peserta didik, maka mereka akan mau bekerja sama dalam setiap pembelajaran dan kondisi apapun di kelas. Guru juga bisa membuat para siswa mempercayainya. Oke. Next, read by Deborah.
One, able to produce accurate ideas in accordance with the problem faced become. Artinya, mampu menghasilkan ide-ide akurat sesuai dengan masalah yang dihadapi. 2. Creative teacher have the ability to make evaluation before making a final decision. The teacher must have the considered in determine something related to the learning process in the classroom. Guru kreatif memiliki kemampuan untuk melakukan pertimbangan-pertimbangan sebelum mengambil keputusan akhir. Guru harus memiliki pertimbangan dalam menentukan suatu hal yang the teacher must be at times interested and also related to student. Mampu membuka pikiran terhadap hal-hal baru. Seorang guru harus bisa menyesuaikan diri dengan semakin lama zaman semakin berubah. Hal tersebut juga berhubungan dengan tadi. 5. For a teacher must be to see the problem in detail. Seorang guru harus mampu melihat suatu masalah secara detail. 5. Able to create new ideas. Mampu menciptakan ide-ide baru. Itu adalah ciri-ciri dari guru kreatif. Next. The importance of creative and innovative teacher in learning in the present day. Intinya guru kreatif dan inovatif dalam pembelajaran di zaman kekinian. As a teacher, according to the commitment and the purpose, the beginning to build a growth generation must continue to be implementation process. The teacher needed in teacher work who has a high soft skill and hard skill. Soft skill and hard skill teacher must be developed correctly. Teaching is not just teaching with class and then teacher from the beginning to the end learning. As teacher, of course, teacher who cannot be imitated. A teacher teaching does not only teach in the class but also close to the student because of the risk. Innovative learning. Pembelajar tidak hanya karena hasil kreativitas pelajaran yang aktif one the main in Indonesia. Pattern and new learning that is different from before. education and participants must be able to adapt to technology change in today. New development of various aspects of education carried out by the teacher, including teacher material, learning media, and strategies and teaching methods that innovative. Guru kreatif dan inovatif menjadi pendidikan di Indonesia. Pendidikan lebih maju dan berkembang. Akhirnya kreasi baru yang berbeda bahan teknologi di zaman sekarang. Pengembangan baru dari berbagai aspek pendidikan yang dilakukan guru meliputi bahan ajar, media pembelajaran maupun strategi dan metode mengajar yang inovatif. The role of teacher in correct language learning. Itu dalam pembelajaran bahan baru of teacher in correct language learning should be more directed towards things that are life skills, namely communication, because students will be more stable if they can be learned. The role of teacher in communicating. Peran guru dalam pembelajaran bahasa asing harus lebih diarahkan ke hal yang bersifat keterampilan hidup, yaitu kemampuan berkomunikasi, karena siswa akan semakin mantap jika bisa mengimbangi peran daripada guru dan dalam berkomunikasi. Kedua, correct language is a form of education that use physical activity as a medium. Is a unique form of education and it is a various experience that will be needed in the future. So they dalam fisik sebagai alat dibutuhkan dunia modern. Physical for channeling excess energy, interest and desire to move, but rather becomes a medium for development oneself. Physically, motorically, psychosocially, which integrate into the culture and ethics of the present and future. Aktivitas fisik dalam bahasa asing tidak semata-mata menjadi media penyaluran kelebihan energi, minat atau hasrat bergerak, melainkan menjadi media untuk membangun diri, fisik motorik, psikososial yang terintegrasi dalam budaya dan etika masa kini dan masa depan. Thank you for attention. Ini presentasi dari kelompok kami.